how to use AI background on YouTube Shorts. To use the AI background on YouTube Shorts, you simply have to go ahead and launch the YouTube application on your device. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom navigation bar and then proceed to the Shorts option. From here, go ahead and tap on the green screen tab from your right hand side panel. Then select any media from your gallery or select this green screen option. Tap done. And you should be able to find this sparkling icon or star-like icon on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on this to access the dream screen or to activate the AI engine. Now you can type your text prompt over here on the bottom and then proceed to choose your visual style and tap create. Now you simply have to select your render. You can also create video, which you can use in the background, and you can also use the image. Now you simply have to reposition yourself and proceed to record once you're done creating the dream screen or AI background. And once you're done recording, you can proceed to post it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.